Hello my YouTube family, what's going on you guys? All right, so happy Sunday. All right, it's Luxury and Lifestyle Sunday, you guys. Okay, so I'm like all over the place, and the reason why is because this video was literally supposed to be a completely different video. And let me explain. This right here, I literally have the bag. I was going to do an update on this beautiful bag that I love so much that I got over a year ago, probably about like 2 years ago now. So I was going to do an update, review, wear and tear, so on and so forth. However, the hubby came in and told me that he got me something, hence the title. All right, so here it is right here. I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I literally still have everything intact. I did not open it. Got my little opener. All right, so I'm gonna open that with you. So before we start, let me just say, here is my tree. I'm going to be recording for the next 2 months next to this beautiful thing. I am in my room. The sun is obviously going down. It is what it is because it's giving me this really fabulous glow, so I'm happy with that. But I'm not finished with this. I'm going to give you guys during Vlogmas. Yes, I'm doing Vlogmas. You know, me decorating the tree. This was my fancy tree that was actually in the living room. I put it in here. I have a whole nother tree. It's a thing, you guys. It's a thing. So just stay with me. If you're not subscribed, you need to go ahead and do that because you're going to be missing out on a lot of things. So once you subscribe, which is that red little button that's right there in the corner, all right, once you do that, go ahead and click the bell, you guys. That way you're notified each and every single time that I upload, all right? So that way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here, all right? All right, so before this light completely goes away and I lose my glow, let's go ahead and open this, all right? All right. You guys, I don't know how he knows or how he does it, but he does. I literally was not expecting this. Alright, so this is literally the most sought after bag out there. Yes, if you know, you know. If you're familiar, you're familiar. Telfar, Telfizi, whatever you call it, whatever it is, at the end of the day, this bag literally time after time after time for the longest time has been really hard to get. I've even tried to get, always take a L. Don't even know how he did it, but he did. And you actually have it to where the tag is on here, so it tells me that it's the medium bubblegum shopping bag. All right, so I'm excited. Let me just say that I'm excited. I'm happy. This right here, you guys, I will do a whole entire review because I was literally not expecting this, and I like to be prepared when it comes to me kind of telling you guys about my bags and everything like that. So again, I didn't get the bag, but I know for sure, just going off of what I've always tried to get, they have a small, medium, and a large when it comes to the Telfar bags. Telfar Clemens is the designer, and he's just been doing his thing. So this bag is a unisex bag, that I do know for sure, and it comes in so many different colors. I know recently he just dropped a collaboration. He just dropped a collaboration with Moose Knuckles or whatever. It's just beautiful. I love the bag. I'm excited that I have it. It comes in this cute plastic bag that has Telfar, established in 2005 in NYC. You open up the bag, and then you have this really cute dust bag with the Telfar Clemens logo, you guys. So the dust bag is cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the medium. This is actually the bubble gum, like I said on there. So this is the medium. I've never actually had this bag. The camera is not doing it justice, and again, I just lost the light. It's okay, we're still going to continue. We're going to make it do what it do. All right, so literally the cutest. This is so cute. I love the embossed logo right here. Yeah, so this is the first time I've actually held one, seen one, and I think it's cute. I love the way it feels. I'm not, like I said, I've never had one. This is my very first one. So if anyone has one, has some, let me know. You know, how do you like it? What do you put in it? But yeah, I'm excited. All right, do not mind me, you guys. I'm literally just looking at it and just kind of like examining everything about this bag. So here's the tag right here. You have a zipper in here. So it's really cute. I really like it. I'm excited. He did good. He did good. All right, so I'm just literally kind of like looking up a little bit about the bag itself and the several different colors. So, all right, so that is the website, you guys. So you can easily just go on there. You can kind of see, all you have to do is click on shopping bags, and then you kind of just go down the list. So as you can see, he has so much more. So many different colors, you guys, so many different things. And I like the fact that what happens is he tends to bring a lot of the previous colors back, and he has like these drops. So I would definitely say, if you are looking to get a Telfar bag, definitely go and follow Telfar on Instagram. That is the best way to kind of like sign up for you know, the emails and everything like that, and then you will definitely get emailed when they have drops, so on and so forth. But again, every single time I try to go and get it, I take an L. It's literally like buying sneakers for me now, so I kind of just don't get it. So either which way, I am excited. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to just kind of like style it. I am excited. I'm overly excited, actually. So yeah, but yeah, that's it, you guys. I am going to do a what's in my bag later on, probably the next video with this bag, and I'll do a review and everything like that, and I'll probably try to style it also. But that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you really like the bag. I hope you like it as much as I like it. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm really excited about this one. But again, literally, it is the cutest. Again, it is the medium size, and I like the way it looks. So I'm excited. And it's not even Christmas. This obviously is Christmas gift, but either which way, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you later.